Guys, ito po yung garden dito.
Garden is easy.
Garden in heaven.
Ayun pala yun, oh.
Salman, let's go!
Oh, dito, mag-picture tayo. Dito. Oh,
O, ayan po yung caretaker ng garden.
Ooh, this is water of life.
Yeah,
Wow.
water of life, waterfalls.
Parang waterfalls.
Can we go down there and take picture? No.
It's
Okay,
not allowed.
joke. Guys, ito yung tower ng
Which
malapit siya sa
tower is
palasyo, this one.
this? What is this, Salman?
Fort.
Oh,
Entrance ito
of
sa
the
palasyo.
king. Oh, ito pala yung entrance po
Ito.
na papasok sa palasyo.
Pero bawal tayong pumasok dun sa loob eh. Hindi pwede.
Tayin ka dyan.
Dito lang tayo sa labas, guys. Take picture outside. Pero napakalawak niya, di ba? Ha?
Oh, palace entrance.
Oh, this one is the palace.
This is
Ng
the
Bahrain.
national flag of Bahrain.
Gate
Yan daw
yan
po
ng-
nakatira yung ano?
King.
Hindi, yung asawa ng sheikh. Reina.
Reyna.
Yeah. Thanks po sa... Oh, what's this? Ashley, mamiss ka na daw si Sydney, sabi niya. Ashley, miss the...
Ano yung palace?
Ashley, ano sabi ng anak mo? Miss ka na daw.
I love
Miss
you.
ka rin daw nila. Oh, si Ashley. This is all the puno-puno. What you call this puno-puno?
Dates yan. Dates. Ito yung dates. Three. Dito na tayo, guys. Sa EDSA. Pupunta na tayo ngayon sa zoo. Wildlife. Mga classmate ko. Netizen. Ito yung Bahrain University School for College.
Many songs today are written about the Savior, and there's many songs that talk about the way. If you listen to the song to find the answer, for Jesus is the truth, the life, the way. There's a song for the man who walked the water, and there's a song for the man who calmed the sea, and there's the song for the man who died for you and me, and there's a song for the man of Galilee. People standing around to show that
Tapos na ang Ed. Mama, in mama. Oh. Ang gulo. Ay, dito na pala.
Starbucks tayo.
Starbucks. Where is Starbucks? Thank you sa 10 million viewers natin. So, ganito lang po ang mga ano dito. Mga views. So, dito naman to tayo. Nakaano naman tayo sa sobrang init. So, what is that? Kangkong?
Water lily.
Yung mga na-ignorante. Kangkong! Where is this kangkong?
Kasi bihira ka lang lumabas eh.
O, asan yung kangkong? Kangkong, aluhan. Oh, si Sydney! That is Sydney! Ikaw talaga aluhan, Whitey. Si Sydney.
Siguro nag-ano ng ako.
Oh, yeah.
So, may love you, mama.
Love ka din daw ni mama mo, Sydney. Abraham, heart, heart, heart. Thank you, Abraham, for your heart, heart, heart. And thank you for, please like naman po, guys. Palike po, palike, please.
Sabihin mo kay
Abraham,
Sydney.
can you
Sabihin
do
mo kay
like?
Sydney, like.
Sydney, palike naman, Sydney and
Pindutin mo yung thumbs up.
Ashley. Abraham, thank you for your heart, 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 heart. Oh, strong.
Nag-like na?
Ah?
Nag-like na?
Hindi ko alam.
Tatawagan ko.
Nuni,
Ay, binibidyo ko ba? Binibidyo ko na to, kanina pa.
i-in mo tapos ano kasi mahirap yung mag. And it's so much hot with my friend.
Yeah, hi!
Oh my gosh.
Hi! Ako yung nagyaya sa kanya.
It's so much hot, guys. Nandito pa tayo nga sa desierto, oh. Woo! Grabe.
Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng araw, oh. Oh, let's go.
Yun po yung sinasabi nila, guys. O, dyan sa likod ko, guys. Yan po yung
Kulungan.
sinasabi nila. Punta po nila dito sa bahay.
Jail.
Ah? This is Ecuador Provincial Jail, guys. Abraham, thank you so much. Thank you po. And here, pinutasan nila doon na, ano ba yan?
Yung mga criminals, ano ka ba? Why?
Yan daw po nila.
Of course, saan ba
Ayaw,
ikukulong?
Ruben.
Al-Adin Park. Ito, may mga pabo dito. Dito, ang ganda. Yan. Hi! Dito tayo sa park ngayon, sa Bahrain Al-Adin Park. We're going there. Dito. Yung mga ano, ihawin na natin yung mga bebe. Ay, yung mga itik, guys. Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa ilog. Ayan yung mga ostrich. Yan. So, we're here. Galing. Ayan yung mga itik, guys, oh. Tapos nangingitlog na lang sila. Ayan, pwede na siyang kukunin. That's it, that's it, that's it. We go there at Max, no? We need to buy Twister Max.
Yeah, you go inside in the Bahrain Mall. Marina Mall. You know this Bahrain? You want dinner?
Kaya punta tayo sa Manama. Guys, ngayon sa Manama.
Which one ang?
This one is Manama.
Yes.
City center, right? Max, we go Max. And then we go.
Bulaklak of Bahrain? I don't know if this is bulaklak or what.
Palabas na tayo ngayon ng ano, park.
So we're our palabas na, and I don't know what's this. What's this place? Oh wow, this is so nice, guys. I love it. There. See you guys.
Dito tayo ngayon sa sa highway kasi maghanap tayo ng magagandang places. Magandang places para sulit naman yung lakwatsa natin, guys. Okay? So, next time hindi na natin to pupuntahan sa ibang places naman tayo sa beach maybe. So, ganyan lang. We're happy to see this place. I'm 1 year here in Bahrain, so we're out. We're here in Gravity Indoor Skydiving. Wow! Skydiving. Pwede tayo dito mag-skydiving. Oh. Guys, maliit na helicopter. Oh. Ayan, no? Ayan.